Teenage parents take legal action after a Bay Area camp counselor is busted on child porn charges. Tonight, they're accusing school leaders of failing to keep their children safe. Good evening, I'm Elizabeth Cook.
I'm Ken Bassita in for Alan tonight. KPIX5's Len Ramirez is live in San Jose with the shocking new allegations against the man who the kids called Papa Bear. Len?
Ken, we don't know how many more victims may be out there, but the attorneys for the family of one of the victims so far identified gave a scathing review today of the performance of the County Office of Education and how it allegedly failed to protect the kids.
Their goal is to make sure this never happens again.
Attorneys for the parents of a 10-year-old boy who was allegedly molested at the Walden West Science Camp in Saratoga in January filed a claim against the County Office of Education, which runs the camp. They say the county office did not follow its own rules, which led to the molestation.
The fact that the county already had this rule in place is a testament to how important it is not to allow an adult to be with a child alone. In this case, that adult happened to be a pedophile.
Edgar Covarrubias, a former Walden West employee, was arrested May 7th for possession and distribution of child pornography, some of which he is suspected of creating himself. Now additional charges of child molestation may be filed. Investigators are going through 600 pictures found on his computer and phone to see if any of the victims are from camp. He was a rec assistant and a facilities manager who was also known by the nickname Papa Bear.
And what's really disturbing is that the children were actually encouraged to go see him when they were sick or homesick or felt sad at night.
Covarrubias was subjected to fingerprinting and a background check when he was hired at Walden West in August of 2013. Attorneys for the family say given his time at camp, there could be many more victims.
We ask parents to look for signs such as isolation, withdrawal, secrecy, ask their children questions.
The county office declined to comment today, but it did send a letter out to parents informing them of this investigation. It also said that it is now fully cooperating with law enforcement. Reporting live in San Jose, Len Ramirez, KPIX5.
Homeland Security officials had an eye on Covarrubias. His name had previously come up as part of an investigation into people trading child porn online.